This is case 9380. Rear RABA 694. It's got the electric diff lock in it. So the right side axle seal, you can see where it's been leaking a little bit. It's been sitting here since yesterday. There's a little drip right there, but it's sat in the shop for a day or two, and in a certain position it'll run out just a little bit more. So what we wanted to show was that there's no leak on it now as far as leaking. You can see the seal's been leaking. It'll run like it is as long as you keep oil in it. But if you buy this axle and it starts running out, you just need to pull your tractor up a couple feet and it'll stop. Or, you can replace it. The same thing with the left-hand side axle. You can see that it's been leaking. Now, we haven't had anything leak out of this one, but you can see what we got going on. So this is an axle. We're going to sell it as a good used. We don't warranty the seals, the bearings in it anyway, so you make a decision before you install it of if you want something to just run or if you want something to go into and check out. We can repair these. It's something we don't do much. That would be something you'd have to call in and we'd have to get you a quote. Shop just like a case dealer. We're going to charge $100 an hour plus parts, so whatever that would take to do, we'd be glad to do it. It's just not something we do to keep them on the shelf. So if we can help you out, let us know.